Welcome to our channel. Today our topic is programming language and algorithm flowchart. So why I am going to explain all these topics means, so before going to learn any programming language, you should aware how to develop the program, how to understand the logic of the program. So before going to the topics, so first of all you need to understand the what is a program. So what are the different types of programming language available. So program is nothing but it is a set of instructions, and here instruction is nothing but it is a statement that can direct the computer hardware component to do specific task. So nowadays computer or Android phone anything so that can be executed and operated through the programs, that is software. So without software, computer, laptops, desktops, workstations, any computer or Android phones cannot be work. So that's why you should know the what is a program. So program is, so once again I am repeating these statements. So program means it is a set of instructions. So instruction is nothing but it is a statement so that can be executed within the system, and that directing the computer hardware component to do a specific task. So software includes group of programs. Program includes a set of instructions. And next, so types of programming languages. So different types of programming languages are included. So these are categorized as a first generation programming language, second generation programming language, third generation programming language, and fourth generation programming language, fifth generation programming languages. In first generation programming languages, so computer programs are written by using zeros and ones, that is machine level, and these zeros and ones not understand by the human being because it is very difficult to learn. So that's why the scientists are developed another programming language called second generation programming language. So in second generation programming language, all the program instructions are written by using shortcut English like sentences. Like for addition, we are using add. For subtraction, we are using sub. For moving of data, we are using MOV. Storing of data, store. So just like this. So it is better to understand compare with first generation programming language. And this programming language is directly not understand by the system. So that's why assembler used for converting assembly level language to machine level language, and again machine level language to assembly level language. And next scientists have developed another programming language called as a third generation programming language. So in third generation programming language, programs are written by using like general English statements or sentences. So here the statements are just like sentences in a general English language. So it is very easy to understand. So in C language, like for example, in C language we are writing the statements which is near to our general English. So like if you want to print any data, so we are using printf statement. So it is similar to our general English statement printer. So next to fourth generation language. So in fourth generation language, programmers used a text-based environment to develop program, as well as integrated development environment to develop the program. So integrated environment means so here the screens are developed by the programmers, and then they are writing the code back in the program. So next another programming language was uh, developed by the scientist called as a fifth generation language. So here Lisp Prolog languages are used to to develop the artificial intelligence. So once again I am repeating the different types of programming language. So program is nothing but a set of instructions, and instruction is nothing but a statement that can be directing the computer hardware component to do a specific task. Next types of programming language. First generation language, the scientists programmers are used zeros and ones form of statements to write the program. In second generation language, programmers were used shortcut words of English like sentences. In third generation language, programmers used text-based environment, and here the statements are similar to the statements in general English language. So fourth generation language used IDE environment to develop the program. So here IDE environment is nothing but a integrated development environment, means here the screens are designed by the programmers and then they are writing the programs at the backend side. So in fifth generation language, programmers used artificial intelligence technology to write the program within a system. Okay, next topic is what is an algorithm. So why we learn about algorithm means, so before going to develop any program or solution to the problem within the computer using programming language, first of all you should analyze how to solve the problem. So this solution to the problem written by the programmer on a paper, so that is called as an algorithm. So here the some of the definitions are given in different textbooks. Like first one is so an algorithm is nothing but it is a procedure for performing some calculations. So algorithm is nothing but a procedure for performing some calculations, and it describes the logic of the program, and which includes step by step description how to arrive solution to the problem. So that's why algorithm provides a blueprint for the writing a program to solve a problem. So a well defined algorithm always provide answers to answers. So next, characteristics of algorithm. So before before going to develop any algorithm, first of all you should know the characteristics. So first one, precise. Precise means so the algorithm must be correct. So second one is unambiguity. So the steps should not be confusion. So steps are defined clearly. And next, third point is not even a single instruction must be repeated infinitely, means so the statements will not be repeated. So next one is after the algorithm gets terminated, means after completion of the algorithm the desired result must be obtained, means must be returned to the user. So this is regarding algorithm. So in algorithm includes various types of structures: sequence structure, decision, repetition. Sequence means so each step is executed in a specific order, means sequentially, serially, linearly executed. Decision statement means and the statements are executed depends on the outcome of some condition. So this that is called as decision statements. Repetitions means some of the statements are executed repeatedly more number of times based on the condition. So example for decision statement is if and switch. Repetition statement is do and while for loop statements. So once again I am repeating the algorithm and types. So an algorithm is nothing but a step-by-step description how to arrive at a solution. So next, characteristics of algorithm. So algorithm should be precise, unambiguity, and not even single instruction must be repeated. After the algorithm gets terminated, the desired result must be obtained. So next, control structures used within algorithm is that first one is sequence, second one is decision, third one is repetition. Sequence means the steps are executed